Imran, what are you doing?
I'm thinking that how can I grow my YouTube channel?
Do you have YouTube channel?
Yeah,
I didn't know. Do you have entertainment channel?
no, educational. I teach how to improve English language.
That's good. When you started your channel,
1 year ago,
I have an idea for growing your channel. Join English language groups on Facebook and share links of your videos there, or share links in English WhatsApp groups. Set your status on WhatsApp.
I had joined Facebook groups, but link couldn't post there because there was admin's approval.
Without admins, approval groups are also present there.
Okay, I will search. I heard you have participated in car racing competition.
Yeah, that's right. I love car racing.
When is your competition?
In the starting of next month,
Tell me date. I will come.
on 3rd July.
Okay, I will come and support you.
Thank you. Do you like car racing?
I'm not interested in car racing, but I like to see it. It's very dangerous.
It's dangerous for you. For me, it's my enjoyment.
What's the price of competition?
The person who will win the competition will get 5 million rupees.
Oh, it's too much. There must be prize of runner up too, right?
Yeah,
How much?
5 lakhs.
Not bad.
Must come on the competition, okay?
Okay, I will come.